Okay, what's up mga bossing? Welcome back to Boy Bukas Toy Box. At ito na naman si Alvin para mag-share sa inyo ng mga cool toys. So this episode, I'm going to share to you guys my latest haul from your friendly neighborhood Facebook Marketplace. So yeah, it takes me to drive like 30 minutes just to get this quite a bit per series, but yeah, it's worth it, man. So what is it? There you go. I'm gonna check it out. One.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Oops, they got together. So we got the ThunderCats by Bandai. Yeah, this is already an open box, but I'm glad it's still in complete accessories and the packaging still there, but it's open. But but still okay to me because I only take it from how much, like $20, I guess. It's in there. I forgot how much I scored this one, but it's already a complete set of 7. That makes it really cool. But this is not, of course, this is not the expensive version, which is the LJN version, right? And this is not a vintage toy. This one released by Bandai 2014, I believe. Let me see, where is it? And this is I think this is Canadian version. So only this one have a very bad cards, but all of them have cool cards. So yeah. So this one is 2011. I found it here. So really cool, right? So we got Cloudus, we got Chitara, Willy Kid, we got Mamra, Horse Pantro, and Lionel and Tigra. So it's really cool. It's really complete set right away, right? So no need to hunt all this parts by part or piece by piece. So it's really a good score. Yeah. So there you go, my bossing. What do you think about this haul? Now I'm still hunting on some of the, what do you call that? Right now I'm still hunting for some of these cool vehicles like the Thunder Tank, the Mamra Storm Charger, Thunder Racer, and some other vehicles that they use. So hopefully I can complete this series. That's really cool. I love it. For some reason this is really nostalgic to me, the ThunderCats. I really love this TV series when I was a kid. So guys, let me know what you guys think about this haul. What do you guys think about ThunderCats, this series of Bandai? So yeah, just let me know. Just comment down below, and yeah, just comment down below. So if you like this video, please click the like buttons at share nyo rin sa mga friends nyo, to your other ThunderCats collector friends or other action figure collectors, right? So, and if you're just new here, or you already watching for a long time but you still not hit the subscribe button, man, do it now. Smash the subscribe buttons now at hit mo na rin yung bell notification icon. So there you go, mga bossing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next episode, and peace out.
Entombed in my mind, can't seem to break away. Lost in time, thinking about better days. Do you ever get used to the pain? 'Cause I don't know if I can do this again. I tried for you. Tell me why you left